way to McGregor Point Provincial Park. This is going to be our second, well, I don't want to say attempt, but this is our second winter camping trip. We're doing some shakedowns here, getting into the groove of overlanding. We have installed now the second battery, but what's really important is that the accessory plugs are attached to the second battery, to the auxiliary battery. So last time we went winter camping, I actually had to plug into the 12-volt socket that was attached to the main battery. We drained that with the heating blanket, which is not the greatest thing to do, right? But we did have a booster pack, so we were able to jump the truck and get the truck going. Now we have the 12-volt plugs for the auxiliary battery, which is really awesome. So now we can drain the second battery and not touch the house or the starter battery.
As far as the guy made it.
Yeah, go give it.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, I know. What do you think of it? Why don't you put it in 4 high so that way you can get some speed?
It's too deep. Stunk.
Alright, back up.
Stuck.
Oh, wow, are you burying yourself in there?
Time to try out the max tracks.
10-4.
What did you say?
Time to try out the max tracks.
Want to take some photos?
Alright, 10-4. Snow is really deep. Good time to try out these new, what was it, Load Max by, what was it, Princess Auto. Yeah, so time to check it out and see if it works.
Yeah, we're really stuck.
The ranger said at your own risk.
Exactly. Because I think I got stuck right away.
Yeah, we made it way further than them.
Alright, so we dug out a little bit. We can get the max loads underneath. Now Mark's gonna hop in, back up. Okay, so the key to this is when you're doing it, try not to spin tires, because if you do, you'll do two things. One, you'll rip off the knobs off of the track boards, and you might rip your tires too.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it. Okay, hold on. The track is now right underneath.
I know, it's really deep.
Nice.
You did it.
I think we're good.
Done.
Woo!
Look how deep he was.
Let me take a photo of that.
That was deep.
Very, very nice. What do you think of that?
That was good.
Tim, I give these a thumb up.
That's it.
Huh?
We got stuck.
Yeah.
Not bad for $100
Yeah.
for a pair. Actually, I got it on sale, so it makes it even worth it. All right, let's see. What are we gonna do now? We're gonna try to keep on going.
Should we just leave them here and we walk?
And walk.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that.
Yeah, lock them up and we go.
All right, done. All right, guys, we don't know what kind of tracks this is. If you know, please leave it down in the description. I'm gonna try to guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. It might be raccoons. I'm gonna guess raccoon. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. Ready? Look at that wave. That is sick. Oh, this is Lake Huron.